And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why Halloween costumes in Canada are made to fit over snowsuits. It's melting and turning to rain, but we gotta pick beans. I should have picked these this weekend, but I didn't have the time. And it was raining, so let's do it now and get them in the house for drying. What we're picking. Anything that is dry, has a dry paw. It's not dry at the moment, but anything that dried before the snow. And then we're going to dry them in the house. Okay, I've got these dumped, and they're quite wet. I've got these dumped in cardboard boxes. And I'm going to, because it's cold in here, I'm just going to set this little dish rack over top. Right over where the boxes meet, and I'm just going to put this dehydrator on 95 degrees. I'm not dehydrating the beans, I'm just giving them a bit of warm air. And here is some heads from the Cracker Jack marigolds. I'm going to take these inside and see if I can't harvest some seeds, because some folks have been asking for them. See, I just put this on 95 degrees just to circulate the air around the boxes. I have it right over where all the boxes meet. There is the flower heads I've broke up of the Cracker Jack marigolds. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, Beth, I probably could have harvested more, but I got the best of each of the bean beds. And Cracker Jack marigolds too. Now I can say, oh, and I also got parsnip seeds as well that I harvested because I let them grow another year. I actually left some carrots in the ground because maybe we'll get some carrot seeds next fall. We'll see. But here's me, once again, harvesting seeds. You know, every year I learn something new. I just hope I get. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, yes, bean seeds for next year. Mwah! Take care, God bless. And Cracker Jack marigolds too.